All right. Hey there. I'm John Armstrong. I'm a solution engineer here at Nintex. I just wanted to put together a really quick and dirty video on utilizing Nintex Automation Cloud and together with DocuSign to gather e-signatures, specifically including document generation in there as well. So the focus really is just going to be the DocuSign setup part because there's a few extra steps in here. I've got a very simple workflow just for the sake of testing and like I mentioned, quick and dirty demo of it. So using Microsoft OneDrive to retrieve my template. This template is going to be used within the generate document action here. In my case, the document generation is not really doing anything, but I do have some tags in there. Just to show them, right? And then down here at the bottom is the text, what do they call it? The auto place tag from DocuSign, and I'll get more in detail on that in a second here. I'm outputting the generated documents into a collection variable called documents, grabbing a single document from that, which is just going to be the one output. Because I'm outputting everything, all the templates, into a single PDF. And then I'm taking that output and sending it through DocuSign. Again, just simple here, and storing all of those outputs into another collection variable. Now on the DocuSign side, I mentioned setting up this autoplace tag or autoplace text. So I've come into settings, and then document custom fields. And I basically created a new field, or in my case here, I'm actually reusing a field, but so you'll give it a name, just a descriptor, however you want to describe what the field is, the type of field it is. In this specific scenario, I'm talking about a signature, but you could use this kind of method for other field types as well. The tooltip text, just the helper text, and then the auto place text in here as well. So in this case here, very specific kind of context of the slash, then the text, whatever that text is. It doesn't have to match the name necessarily. And then we have the dot, and then in the brackets there, the R. So that R, we're going to replace that with the recipient number. In my example, I only have one recipient, so I'm just taking that and replacing it, brackets and all, just with the number 1 in my DocGen template. And then from here, just to kind of show you that working, I'll just do a quick workflow testing. Let me start a new test. I'm just, for testing purposes, just a little pro tip to kind of speed up testing for one-off things like this. I always like to use a component workflow because it doesn't ask for any inputs when you go through to do the workflow testing. So it saves that little bit of time every time you test something. All right, so as we're waiting for this here, all right, so it generated that document, it got the document from the collection, and now I am getting or waiting for that email from DocuSign. And nope, not that one. False alarm there. I don't know if that's coming across in the video, but just waiting a second here for my laptop email to catch up. There we go. So I got the email from DocuSign. I will review the document. Takes a second to load here. It's going through our internal email filters. And then, as you can see, I'll agree to the terms, and the signature block is placed exactly on that auto place tag. Now, in kind of a production environment, if this was more than testing, I would make this white so that it doesn't come across. You can kind of see it there behind the scene, behind the signature, since it's black. But yeah, that's all I've got. Thanks for watching.